Mwerevu oli ku Glosh TV nga bulijjo era nyongera okujjukiza omulabe waffe atugoberera wano ku Glosh TV nti bambi genda wansi awo subscribinge olikinga atera osharinge osobola n'okomentinga okusinziira ku kifaananyi oba ku vidiyo nga oba okoze ki nga oba ogirabye nakyo era nyongera okujjukiza nti subscribinga likinga atera osharinge nkugambye nti tukuleetera ebintu ebyenjawulo naddala ebiba bifudde mu nsika ya entertainment ffe aba Glosh TV tubeera tubikutuusaako byonna gwe teweerabira kubanga osubscribinga osobola okunyiga ka notification bell ako buli video yaffe empya ojja kubanga osobola okubanga okola ki ng'ogifuna gwe kasonyiga ka notification bell ako buli video yaffe empya ojja kubanga osobola okubanga okola ki ng'ogifuna nateera nyongera okujjukiza gwe wennanga wandyetaza okubanga olanga naffe aba Glosh TV ng'oyagala tuyiseewo business yo oba olina business gy'oyagala tube nga tugirangira ku mukutu gwaffe guno gwa Glosh TV gwe tunoonyeeko obunoonya akanamba k'essimu kaffe kano 0750 31 283 nyongera okuddiramu akanamba 0750 31 283 still era akanamba ako kayitawo ku kontenti waffe kali wansi awo akanamba ako ojja kubanga osobola okubanga okafuna.
What about outside there?
What are you were here yesterday was it?
Longomba.
But do you know Rolex?
I like Luo.
What about Rolex?
You haven't eaten Rolex?
I like Rolex. I like Rolex too.
Yeah.
And fried fish.
No. Chikomando. Do you know Chikomando?
I want to try commando.
Hey, Chikomando.
Chikomando.
Hey, Chikomando.
That is chapats and been.
This side, look at it.
The second one is for Awilo. The third one is for Afrigo. We have. What's the name of this?
It's a French plant.
That one is Tabegua.
Tabegua.
Where's the name? Tabegua.
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 Yes.
All the plants are medicinal.
Ah, it's a medicinal.
Yeah, it's a medicinal plant.
Oh, good.
Yeah, good.
And indigenous.
Ah.
Wow, memorable.
People now are gonna plant Tabegua.
Yes.
You know, like an artist, we need to pass a message. Like I'm here.
Yeah.
We fight about the environment.
Yes.
You know, the climate change. To reduce the ozone gas, we need to, I don't know, to protect the environment.
Yes.
Okay, I'm here. This is a historic day. People, you are my witness. I wish that the plant to
You wish that Tabegua.
Tabegua. Tabegua, you're gonna grow very, very.
Let's give it a applause.
Grow.
Good.
And I need generation after generation. You're
Yes.
gonna see that. And you're gonna mention Awilo who plant that.
Being a medicinal plant, each generation will have to remember about this
Yes.
Longomba tree.
And they're gonna make treatment to many people.
Okay.
Alec,
Good. They will explain you.
Pour some water.
on my tree.
Yeah, tree.
Wow. Grow, my plant, grow. I wish you. Give. Can you give?
It has
Can I
started
try?
growing.
Ale. People, you love that. To see a willow plant, yeah?
Oh, yes, we do.
You'll witness, yeah? Tell me, it's okay now?
No.
I still continue. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Done. Amoye, saba ya dabu simu band. Ogwekijukizo. Naye sobolo mu omulala nina emiti mukaaga. Guno okay, tofayo. Kina kiseka.
This one is Chigeria Africana. Sausage tree, Chigeria Africana.
Chigeria Africana. This is a sausage tree. Okay. I would remember Asimbye Tabegua. Oh no? Right.
Especially stomach ache, but also
Men.
for men.
For men what? For men what? You open, no, you open. Say it out. So the one manpower is giving you problem. It's okay, say it out. Say it out. Okay, okay. Kegelia Africana. Mchogo baguita.
Sausage. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to be part of this occasion of planting trees. We are planting these trees for all people to enjoy, to get fresh air, to get whatever. And more so, it is a medicinal. This tree is medicinal, so these people pray for me at least to make this tree down there. And also, I would like it to grow faster.
Like that of Awilo.
Yes. Faster. Yeah. Wow.
Our life Kusanyika TV, Mzee Matofu, on behalf of Afrigo Band, Asimbye Omuti. Era asabye ayagala okugoba kusinga okula amangu. Kamali sibali.
Wagenda gabi omuti gwe kukule mangu. Buyiso Awilo.
Tukatulinde tulabe tujja kudda tujikebereka after 6 months tulabe.
Leyo Awilo we kutuuse. Nogwa papa moyi we kutuuse. Papa chibara Naba ko mungaro. Naba ko mungaro ga bungiri. Aha. Echokura chiremete ko grow faster. Okay, thank you.
My song, and first don't forget it's not my own show. I come here like a guest. I come to support my brother and my big brother, Afrigo from Afrigo Band. And Afrigo Band, first time fan. I was loving Afrigo Band before I become like today. You know. And I discovered Afrigo Band with the song Jim. You know? Yeah. And tomorrow is gonna be something special gonna work.
Yes.
Because it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna play with a local band. It's a local, but it's a big band. You know, every time I was coming here since I come Uganda, I came with my band. You know, never I do a playback here or small show. I don't know. Every time it was live.
What has made you so popular all these years? Because I started hearing Awilo Longomba when I was even still young. But you've been so popular. What has made you so popular all these years? Just laugh.
Music.
Music.
I don't know why.
Working hard.
Yeah, working hard.
What did you mean by Tekinosukus Wemba?
Wepa. Teknosukus is my music style.
Yeah.
Yes, I create from Kupebi Bamba. Sasela Teknosukus because it was like it's a combination sukus and techno.
Oh.
Teknosukus, new techno. I was bringing the new technology into sukus, like rap, like Africa, don't take it down. That's my music.
Okay. Katudem press conference Papa Moina ye.
Gwe wenna nga wandyetaaze okwata omukolo gwo nga okwanjula embaga amazaalibwa baby shower kuhinjira n'ebirala bingi nkwanjulira Glosh TV bakafulu b'okuba ebifaananyi n'okwata video era nga wandyetaaze okulanga wamu ne Glosh TV kuba ku namba y'essimu eno noti 75 noti 31 283 tweyunire oleme kwejjusa.